Hello internet world, welcome to my review of the Lofree Flow. This is a low profile, really cool looking wireless mechanical keyboard, and when I say low profile you'll be very impressed. The actual model number is the OE915. It was very kindly sent in free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands. They haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm purely sharing my opinion with you so you can make an informed buying decision. Now what you're seeing at the moment is the really striking box. I absolutely love the design of this. When I reveal the keyboard you'll be equally impressed. It looks absolutely stunning. It's available in two different colorways. I've got the white and silver sort of version here. Inside the box we do get some instructions. We also get a really nice cable, good quality, full-size USB to USB-C. The USB-C is right angled as well to fit into the back of the keyboard nicely. And then of course we got the keyboard itself. I can't wait to give you the test on this because it sounds and feels absolutely superb. And as I mentioned earlier, it's a low profile keyboard. So when we look at this side on, just look at this. It's just so thin. I really do like the design on this. If we take a look on the back as well, you'll see the way they've done the little feet, really nice design touch. I love the way they've got this sort of metal piece just to give a little bit of height to the back of the keyboard. And then we've also got just here the switch, which we can switch between off, on and Bluetooth pairing mode. You'd also see some lights on the bottom. Very cool indeed. And then we've got the USB-C charging port as well. Again, let's just take a look at this from this angle. Very low profile, beautifully designed, metal casing, very high quality. And from the front, again, super design. In fact, let's just turn this on, and when we turn this on, you'll get the red lights on the bottom. We also get a little light on the front, so there is an LED light on this front piece as well. And in use, it is absolutely superb. I'm going to give you the keyboard test now, and then I'll give you a closer look at the keycaps. So let's listen to how this sounds. This is superb. It's got a nice sort of thunky sound to it, a really sort of dampened sound, and it just is so comfortable to type on. The actual keys are very low profile as well. You can see the keycaps just here, very low profile. They've got a nice actuation to them, and there's such a nice amount of travel. It's a super comfortable keyboard, and I must say it's such an easy keyboard to transfer to from perhaps a laptop keyboard. The transition that I made really resulted in very minimal typing errors, and I felt straight at home typing on this. It is so nice. You'd also see the nice shape to these keycaps as well. Really stunning. Now this has also got backlighting that doesn't shine through the actual keys. Let's turn this on and I'll give you a look at that. If I turn my studio lights off temporarily, you will get to see just how stunning this looks. And there we go, you can just about see this really sort of subtle backlight. Let's turn off a couple more of my studio lights. Really want you to see how this looks. Wow, just look at that. Very nice indeed. So as I mentioned earlier, it doesn't shine through the actual symbols on the top of the keys, but it's more like of an illuminated back panel, and it just looks absolutely stunning. Very nice indeed. And we even get this nice glow coming from the sides. This is a superb keyboard. I've been so impressed with this. If you want to pick up one of these for yourself, I can highly recommend you check out the links down in the video description. I've been very impressed, and I think you will be too. Thank you very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you liked the video, do hit that like button. Any questions at all, pop them in the comments section below. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in another video very soon.